Hello and good morning. For now, we are going to learn how to pay your Kaiser. So if it's your second payment, so we'll go for Kiosk 2 and pay it online. So via PayPal. So I'll teach you how to do that. So we'll go to our portal, IMG. So here you can see updates, reports, resources, and tools. So you can click the Kiosk 2, Tools, Kiosk 2, or we can go down in our portal. So you can see here as well. So Kiosk. So here, IMG Kiosk is the paper transaction. So pupunta kayo sa office and file it over there. So yung Kiosk 2 is for online, and especially if you're using PayPal. So ito yung laging ginagamit namin dito sa UK or international para mas mabilis siya. So you need to log in here. Don't forget to log in or else hindi ka pwedeng mag-click at mag-enter ng details mo. So you always have to log in. So after that, if gusto mo magbayad sa Kaiser, so click Kaiser Subpay. So we will just search. So pag mag-search ka, is the family name first. I'll just pause the share for now. Gawin ko lang to. So here we can see that it's for the 12 payment now. So automatic po yan. But usually this is for 1 month payment. So the K100 payment is 5882. So for next month, magbabayad na siya ng 500 for policy fee. But at the moment, so yung normal na 5882. So we are going to pay via credit card or PayPal. So we'll just go next. So we are not going to click Palawan Express. So one of the benefit of IMG is you can send through Palawan. So mas mabilis na siya. So Palawan Express has just this year lang siya na add sa benefits. So it's good for us, especially ngayon na may isang pupuntahan na remittance. So I'll just click ko muna. Ilagay ko muna yung details. Lagay ko lang yung details, name, first name, last name, and email address. So you have to make sure na nilalagay mo talaga lahat. And for the options for payment, you can choose credit card via PayPal, debit card via BankNet, pay at cashier, and remittance, bank deposit, or bank transfer. So usually, para sa international, if you want it straight away and then ma-verify ka agad, so we usually use credit card via PayPal. So if wala kang credit card, you can use your debit card. If wala kang PayPal, you can still use your debit card or your credit card. You can choose pay as guest or pay as one time. So let's click credit card via PayPal. And it will go to this page now. So billing address. So you have to just fill up all the details. Remember, you have to put your mobile number, the zip code, and then here, you need to click the credit card via PayPal. So if makalimutan mo to, it won't go to the next step. So I'll just fill it up. I'll pause it for a while para secure po yung details natin. And then we will just go straight away. I-next ko lang sa next step, ha? So just fill up all the details para ano. Mataas, mahaba yung ano, details. And then don't forget the postcode. So if hindi niyo alam kung saan ang or ano ang postcode, so just put it in Google and then search for your place and then it will go give you your postcode. So you need to fill up the required fields talaga. So it's better na ready na yung mga details na kailangan. So we are going for the next step. So as I said earlier, kailangan natin i-click talaga yung credit card via PayPal or else hindi siya papasok for the next step. So here, pupunta siya sa PayPal, log into PayPal. So if wala kang PayPal, it goes to pay by debit or credit card. So you can choose this one or you can choose PayPal. So for now, let's go to pay by debit or credit card. So you can choose protected or unprotected. So it's better your details will be protected, your credit card. So it's better na yung option na protect. So for now, I'll just show it like this. And then we are going for the next step. And that's it. Your sub payment is already paid. So I will just do and fill this up. So for here is the card type. You can choose Discover, MasterCard, Visa card, Maestro, and American Express. You need to put the card number, the 16-digit code in front of your card, the expiry date, and the security code. The security code is at the back of your card. So after this one, I'll just proceed it, and then it will go to process already for your Kaiser payments. So, i-pause ko muna. I'll just have to fill up all the details. So be very aware the correct po yung fill upan nyo, the card numbers and the details. Correct lang yung details. So just make sure na correct lahat. So it's like this now. So it means it's already paid. So we paid 6,156, including the charge. So that is 102.60 pounds. And then it goes to your, this is the receipt confirmation, and then it will send confirmation to your email. So that's it. And your Kaiser is already paid via PayPal. So if you want to know more about Kaiser or how to pay, anything about IMG, so subscribe in my YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Hope you learned. Thank you very much, and bye.